This is a vertical thumb wheel mouse from Jellycomb, a mouse that focuses on comfort and ergonomics first and features last. All that at an extremely affordable price, but does it really make a difference? Short answer, yes, but let me explain a bit more in detail. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Here we focus on tech reviews and tutorials. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have an awesome community and I would love for you to be a part of it. So, ergonomic mice are great if you have any type of wrist pain after extended use with a normal mouse. More specifically, vertical mice are what you are looking for. Now, this is kind of a cross between your standard mouse and a vertical mouse, which is great if you're someone that finds vertical mice just a little bit too awkward to hold and use. This mouse angles your hand in a more natural resting position to help relieve pressure around your wrist area. I've been using it for a little over a week and I've noticed a pretty big difference. Swapping back and forth between my Logitech G900 and this, I do find the Jellycomb more comfortable overall. Obviously, the Logitech G900 is made for gaming, while the Jellycomb is more for casual use. I would never recommend it for gaming, so just keep that in mind when I compare the two. The Jellycomb is a pretty big mouse, so it accommodates large hands nicely. You have these grooves and curves around the mouse that kind of support each finger. It's a really nice fit in hand. The feel is pretty good here too. You're getting a soft rubber-like coating around the entirety of the mouse. The left and right mouse clicks are slightly mushy. I do wish they were as clicky as the thumb wheel button. That feels amazing. It's extremely clicky and you know when it's been pressed. Speaking of the thumb wheel, the location, it's pretty different here. It's on the side of the mouse where you normally would find some side buttons, which you're not getting here. I wish that wasn't the case. I do want some sort of side buttons. That's pretty much my only complaint with this mouse. But back to that scroll wheel. How is it being on the side? Well, it's surprisingly good. It's the best location for it to be, in my opinion. It feels extremely natural. I've honestly grown so accustomed to it, and I just wish more manufacturers would implement a thumb scroll, especially in gaming mice. Connectivity has been pretty good. This is a wireless mouse. It's plug and play. You get a 2.4 gigahertz dongle. You plug that into your computer and you're good to go out of the box. I do wish they offered some sort of rechargeable variant. This, however, just takes a single AA battery. Like I said before, I've been using it for a little over a week and I haven't had to swap out batteries, so that should give you an idea on what to expect for battery life. So who is this for and should you get it? Well, if you're someone that sits at a desk all day using your mouse and you find yourself with some discomfort in your wrist, then definitely try this out. I mean, it's a cheaper option than some other vertical ergonomic mice out there. If you do want to check it out, go ahead and check the description. I'll have a link to it. And as usual, I will try to find the best possible price for you. If I missed anything or you have any questions that weren't answered in the video, drop me a comment. I'll be sure to try to answer it for you. Now, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. If you disliked the video, hit that dislike button twice. Let me know what I could have done differently. If you haven't yet, check out some other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.